In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable grouping windows by application on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select where it says Desktop and Dock. And then over here on the right side, just scroll down underneath the Mission Control section where it says Group Windows by Application. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the on position to the right, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.